I don't know if this counts as a holiday, but my favorite thing that I love to celebrate every year are birthdays. And not my birthday. I don't love to get older, but I love to celebrate my kids' birthdays. I love to create things and craft, and I love to bake. So birthdays are a time that I get to use all these creative energies and put them towards the celebration of one of my children. My favorite birthday that my littlest son had was his Lego Ninjago birthday party. I made him a cake with an edible icing sheet, and I made little snakes on top by using a little donut cake mold, and then I just kind of cut the pieces, created a little squiggly snake for him, put M&Ms on top, and every kid at the party wanted a piece of cake with the M&Ms. So that was a lot of fun. Now my middle son, he loves basketball. And my rule is I can never make the same cake twice. So it's been a challenge over the years to come up with many different cake designs that would incorporate a basketball theme. So I started in earlier years with just simple cupcakes, and then I even made a basketball court one year. I did a basketball with a backboard with a net, basketball going through. I did a simple basketball cake with just, fondant. That was really easy. And then when he had a really big birthday party one year, I made him a basketball jersey. This cake had about 12 eggs in it, 2 pounds of powdered sugar. It was delicious. It was a huge sheet cake, 4 inches thick. That was a lot of fun. So I'm on the lookout for new ideas for a basketball-themed cake because I don't see him losing his interest in basketball anytime soon. So for my daughter, I love to make her, beautiful birthday cakes as well. I found this technique where you can use fondant, and actually fondant is pretty easy to work with. A lot of people that don't like to bake think it's scary, but take a white chunk of white fondant, add some strips of color, simply twist your icing, roll it out, and you'll create a lovely tie-dye kind of camouflage look to your fondant, and then you can just simply place it on top of your cake and it turns out fantastic. So you should give that a try. So you can see why I love birthdays so much, because I love to bake and make cakes. And for my kids, I really love to put the theme together for what they're interested in over the previous year to celebrate their upcoming year. And I just have a lot of fun with it. So maybe you all have some fun birthday traditions as well, but for me, a time to look forward to every year is definitely considered a holiday.
The old ladies have arrived. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey Christie. Happy birthday to